Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. In my hands I have the Gshock GA-120 and I'm gonna show you how to sync your analog and digital time or how to perform hand home position adjustment. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that is the mode where the watch tells the time, press and hold the lower right button for about 3 seconds until age set appears and sub begins to flash on the digital subdials. So let's go, press and hold. And there it is. Sub is flashing and we see age set over here. First in a row of settings is setting our speed hand over here. The correct position is exactly at 12 o'clock and it is positioned correctly. But in case it's not, you can press the forward button to rotate it clockwise until you get it back to the exactly 12 o'clock, which is the correct position. Once you set your speed hand, you can press the mode button and your minute and hour hand should sync or position themselves exactly at 12 o'clock. That is the correct position of your hour and minute hand. Let's see if they do. They are positioned correctly on this watch, but you can change it if it's not by pressing the reverse button to rotate it anti-clockwise or forward button to rotate it clockwise. To engage fast rotation, if the hands are way out of the alignment, you can press and hold one of those buttons slightly, and when it begins to rotate, just release it. To stop it, press the same button or one of those two buttons just once and it will stop. So press and hold and it will engage fast rotation. To stop it, I'm gonna press one of those two buttons, and also when I press it in increments of 1, lets me fine-tune the watch hands. I'm gonna position them exactly at 12 o'clock, which is the correct position. Now we have set our speed hand and hour and minute hand, which means that we have performed the position correction. To implement the settings, simply press the adjust button once, and the watch now continues or goes back to the standard timekeeping mode, and our analog time should correspond to our digital time over here, which we'll be able to see once the watch repositions the hands. We will shuffle this from date to time. So let's see. It says 6 o'clock and 25 minutes. Well, it is. So our analog and digital time are the same. That would be yet another tutorial video. This time it was on the Gshock GA-120. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch-related content, please subscribe. So thank you.